Welcome to today's cooking show, and for you today we have a curry cheese ball, and it's real easy to do. What you want to do is start off with 125 grams of cream cheese, and then you want to add 250 grams of cheddar cheese. I used sharp, so if you're looking for a preference. And then you want to add 3 tablespoons of relish. Dill pickle to be specific, but I think sweet would work just as well. And then you want to give this a good mix around in your mixer. Take a couple of minutes on medium speed to get everything all incorporated and beaten together. This is about the consistency and what you want to look for when you stop the mixer. Then you just want to take it out of the bowl, put it on a piece of parchment paper or wax paper, whichever you prefer. And basically, this is the messy part, because just use your hands, form it into a ball. It's like a snowball. As you can see here, I've got some spices on a plate. It's 1 tablespoon of paprika mixed with 1 tablespoon of curry powder. And basically, you just want to roll this ball around till the entire thing is coated in the spice mix. You may have to readjust the spices a little bit. And once you've rolled it around, wrap it up in some wax paper, tie off the top, and leave it in the fridge for at least 2 hours before serving. And that's a curry cheese ball. Done. And excuse me while I try a little piece here. Anyway, I gotta say, this cheese ball was absolutely delicious. It lasted for about 2 days in the fridge. Everybody that came over devoured it.